The monkey on the cherry tree. A monkey lived on a cherry tree by the river. One day, a crocodile asked him, "I am hungry. Please give me something to eat." The monkey gave him cherries. This went on every day, and soon they became good friends. One day, the crocodile took some cherries for his wife too. She said, "How sweet would be the heart of the monkey who eats this fruit every day." She pestered her husband to get the monkey's heart. The crocodile agreed reluctantly. The next day, he told the monkey, "Dear friend, my wife has invited you to lunch. Come, let's go." On their way, the crocodile told him the truth. The monkey said, "My heart is on the tree. Let's get it." When they reached the river bank, the monkey climbed up the tree and said, "You are unfaithful. Go away." The crocodile was ashamed. He had lost a friend. The elephant learns a lesson. There was a huge banyan tree in the jungle providing shelter to the animals. A sparrow couple lived there. Mrs. Sparrow had laid eggs. One afternoon, an evil elephant broke the branch of the tree where the sparrows lived. Their nest fell down and the eggs were broken. The sparrows went to the woodpecker, who said his friends, the fly and the frog, would help them. The next day, when the elephant was crossing the same path, the fly hummed a tune in the elephant's ear, and the woodpecker poked his eyes. The elephant howled with pain. He felt the need to splash water on his face. Just then he heard the frog croaking. He followed the sound and fell into a swamp. "Please help me. What wrong have I done?" The frog reminded him about the sparrow's eggs. The elephant was sorry and promised never to do it again. The crane who was kind. Once upon a time, there lived a cunning wolf in a jungle. One day, while wandering in the forest, he found a dead lamb. While he was eating it, a bone got stuck in his throat. The wolf thought, "I need somebody's help or I will die." He went to the crane and said, "My friend, a bone is stuck in my throat. Please pull it out and I will be grateful to you all my life. I will also reward you." The crane put his head into the wolf's mouth and pulled out the bone. The crane asked, "Where is my reward?" The cunning wolf replied, "What reward? You have put your head into my mouth and I let it out safely. Isn't it a reward that you are still alive? Please go away or I'll kill you." The crane had risked his life but got nothing in return. The grocer and the rats. Once, a group of rats lived in a grocery shop. They would eat whatever they saw. The grocer was unhappy that the rats were creating havoc. in the store every day. One day, he brought a cat to his shop. The cat began to kill the rats one by one. The rats were scared of the cat and hid in their holes. One day, the rats called a meeting to get rid of the cat. A young rat had a plan. He said, "Let's tie a bell around the cat's neck. Whenever she moves, the bell will jingle and we will know that she is approaching." They were discussing about how to arrange for the bell when an elderly rat sitting in a corner said, "My dear fellows, who will bell the cat?" Hearing this, all the rats sat down sadly and started to think of another plan.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.